To get started with day trading on Cash App, you need to first download and install the application on your mobile device. Once installed, create an account and verify your identity. This is a necessary step to ensure the security of your transactions and to comply with regulatory requirements. After verifying your account, you need to fund it with money to start trading. You can do this by linking your bank account or debit card to the app. Make sure you have enough funds in your account to cover the trades you want to make. Next, you need to understand the basics of day trading. Day trading involves buying and selling stocks or other assets within a single trading day, with the goal of making a profit from the fluctuations in their prices. On Cash App, you can trade stocks, exchange-traded funds, and Bitcoin. To place a trade, navigate to the investing section of the app and select the stock or asset you want to trade. You can then choose to buy or sell the asset, and enter the amount you want to trade. Make sure to review the trade details carefully before confirming the transaction. It is also important to understand the fees associated with trading on Cash App. The app does not charge any commission fees for trading, but you may be subject to other fees such as regulatory fees and market data fees. Another key concept to understand is the concept of market volatility. Market volatility refers to the rapid changes in the price of an asset, and it can be a major factor in day trading. You need to be able to analyze market trends and make informed decisions quickly to be successful. In day trading, to manage risk, you can set stop-loss orders, which automatically sell a stock when it falls to a certain price. You can also set take-profit orders, which automatically sell a stock when it reaches a certain price. Finally, it is essential to stay informed and up to date with market news and trends. You can do this by following financial news and analysis, and by using the educational resources provided by Cash App. By following these steps and staying informed, you can get started with day trading on Cash App and potentially earn profits from your trades.